Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to all of you into my channel A to Z Therapy with Smriti. This is your host Smriti Sikta Mishra. I am an occupational therapy and clinical psychology student. So come, join me on my journey of becoming a therapist and let's learn together.
Right? So immune system is a major play a major role because in our body, whenever your immune system is good, even though the COVID virus come into your body, it will not stay there for a long time. But if it is not good enough, automatically the virus go and stay. It produces a lot of health issues, right? So how to build up our immune system? By taking good nutritional diet. As you're talking about the diet plan, not only for the plan for only for the conditions, we all, every normal human being, we must take some good nutrition. Day-to-day servings of fruits and vegetables, we must add. We have to add. Actually, they are telling, 8 servings of fruits and vegetables. Everybody has to add anyway in any form. Either you can eat it from the fruits form or vegetable forms or in the supplementation form, whatever you are believing. So
Yeah.
naturally we are getting a lot of fruits and vegetables in India, so we can have it, no problem. So main thing is what they're talking about. For if you want to build the immune system, you must eat healthy stuff like a vitamin C rich diet. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin E, and iron. Zinc is very very important, and vitamin D, right? So main thing is when our immune system is stopped, that is C is the one is the problem affected. So we need to increase the C, vitamin C rich, like orange, like this type of food. We need to get to back to the dietitian and get information from the health stores and get the knowledge about what are the nutrition will be take care of them. It is called prevention is better than cure, right? So
Absolutely.
that way, what happens is when you take regular basis, automatically your health will be not compromised, so that you no need to go to that, take attention for your health issues when it comes, right? Yeah,
Mhm.
you can,
Yeah,
Dr. Rama, you can add up some point.
yeah. So I will just say some few important things. That is, immunity is not something which is a one-day affair. It even
Yeah.
starts whenever you are not even in this planet. Your parents, your grandparents, your ancestors, your forefathers, their genetics, their environmental exposure, their radiation exposure, everything adds upon to it. So, what as a neuroscientist I will say is that there are two circles. One, there is a circle of concern, and next is a circle of influence. The circle of concern are the things about which we all think upon. That is, what if this happens? What if that happens? And circle of influence is something in which we have a control upon the things we can influence. Just like Anand sir said, that we can control our diet, we can control our nutrition, we can control our sleep, we can control our stress level.
Yeah.
We can't have a control on the kind of pollution level we are surrounded with. We can't have a control on the kind of noise pollution or water pollution or even the psychological stress from the external factors. So what I will stress upon is that three things. First, vaccination is very, very important, especially in a developing country like India, because immunization, be it active or passive, first of all, the breast milk, because it's a very good source of immunity. Next is the routine immunization for the child itself till the 5 years, and other vaccinations. Next, the diet. There should not be any kind of malnutrition happening, because just like Anand sir mentioned, be it iron or zinc, these are richly available in some of the cheap fruits and vegetables, but the
Yeah.
people are not aware of that. They are just aware that dal roti chawal, the normal Indian diet, but the balanced diet concept is missing, and we need to act upon it. And I will also thank the government of India for starting the Poshan Abhiyan, because it's showing tremendous results, and also the midday scheme in the past some years have shown tremendous results. Adding upon to it, the menstrual hygiene is also important, because due to poor menstrual hygiene, there has been a lot of anemia cases coming up, and when you have lack of hemoglobin, also the immunity gets compromised.
Yeah.
So it's an integrated stuff as well, but nutrition, diet, the child planning of immunization, as well as the breastfeeding, and in a later on, when the child grows up into adult, starts doing job and stuff like that, controlling the psychological stress, because mental strain is something we all are suffering from, and we need to tackle it upon.